Kalender, genau.
Das ist dir geschenkt.
Was ist
Super.
das?
Herzeigen.
Danke, danke.
Und ich will, bitte, mein Polly Pocket. Und ich will mein Polly Pocket. Der kann schwimmen.
Olivia, schau, komm, da.
Schau, sie kann
Für Oma und Opa und das ist auch für
Ich
Oma
habe
und
mein
Opa.
Polly Pocket. Ich küsse mein Polly Pocket.
She's just lying there watching you while you finish your food.
Jeder tut essen, außer Carla, die spielt mit ihrer
When
Katze.
the shoes don't stay.
On her face. Daddy, look what I got from Anna. Mommy!
What? Oh, did Horsey get that talk?
Horsey got you too.
Horsey got a winter talk.
Okay,
Wow, look at all these dolphins, Olivia.
Polly Pocket plane!
You like dolphins too, don't you?
Yay! Polly Pocket! Polly Pocket! Polly Pocket!
I don't know what this is because it's our Christmas urban tackle.
Oh, right.
Lena!
Alright, let's have a look here.
Let's have a look what's in here.
Oh, what's in here? Oh, cool. Look at this.
Carla! Hier says Carla!
Oh, I thought I was getting a salt and pepper shaker, but I'm not.
Hier says Carla! Doesn't
This
this,
one from Anna, Sophie.
doesn't this say Carla? Yeah.
Oh.
This is mine. Oh, Mommy!
Alina, here's another one for you. Oh, isn't that a cute card? I bet that came from Auntie Jane, isn't it? Alina, from Nana. From Nana.
From Nana.
Oh, aren't they cute? This one says, Dear Carla, we hope that you have a very Merry Christmas, lots of love. Uncle Barry, Auntie Jan, Jason, Alex and Matt. Oh. Oh, look, here's another one. This one's from Nana.
I got the train. Who says something, Mommy?
It says Nana on there.
And for who is it? You.
Oh, this one says,
Ha.
no, so I guess this one must say,
Ha.
oh, wow.
Ha.
Uh-huh. Lovely.
Oh, thank you.
That's from Nana.
Daddy, look. This in the 30 euros from Nana.
Oh,
Wow. You'll have to hang that on the tree again as well next year. Might get more euros in it.
Really?
Who knows?
Yay! Ta-da! Spooky.
Oh, Carla. The meals on the
go quick.
feet. How, whoa, look what I got. You don't think you're happy with yours. Look what I got.
this fits perfectly to my new suit. Thank you, Nana.
Here is one. This is for another one. Another thing. Here's one. This one is another one. Another one.
Oh, who's that for? Oh, that's for me, I think, isn't it?
Look,
Mommy.
Mommy.
Look what I got.
Vergiss mal nicht Maus.
Oh, wow, isn't that cute?
Oh,
Oh, thanks, Alina.
Jetzt vergiss mal nicht Maus.
Wow.
Hier.
Hang on, I just have to read the instruction, Money Jane, and
Yeah.
it's got your name on it. Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Mine is already hanging. One,
Is that pretty or what? Got to be extra careful with that one. I've lost a Tottenkopf for Lena. Oh, there it is. Alright.
ah, someone needs this brushing because she's already eating lollies.
I got a good toothbrush and lollies.
So,
but then after.
yes.
I mean it after.
coming up. Look at it now. And look at it soon.
Yeah.
And there's
Where's the trolley? I want to look at the trolley. The trolley looks definitely cool. Oh.
Wanda, what are you eating?
The
Yeah,
table and
look here.
this isn't.
Where is she? Where's the dolly?
Mommy, look. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Now hop out of there. Oops. Now you can hop back in your... Look, she goes on the left. Hop to the left, bye-bye. Go down. Hands in.
Sophie, go away.
Hands in. Going down. Carla got some more of them as well. You know that little roundy thing, that little roundy ball thing that yes. Yeah. Yeah. Carla got a little tree house and 2 more of them as well. She got that from Astrid. And I can do
Helene with Parliament with a cat. To Dede, then for Dolly.